We have discussed several problems under this topic stoichiometry. Now also we are going to discuss another problem in this video. Let's see the problem. According to the following chemical equation, how many molecules of pentane are required to react with 89.6 liters of oxygen? According to the following chemical equation, how many molecules of pentane C5H12 are required to react with 89.6 liters of oxygen? Molar masses have been given: carbon 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. This is the chemical equation. C5H12 plus O2 we get CO2 plus H2O. This chemical equation is not balanced. First of all, we have to balance this chemical equation. Let's balance it. C5H12 plus 8O2 we get 5CO2 plus 6H2O. You can see on the left hand side 5 carbons, on the right hand side 5 carbons, and on the left hand side 12 hydrogens, on the right hand side 6 times 2 12 hydrogens, on the left hand side 8 times 2 16 oxygen, on the right hand side 5 times 2 10 oxygen, and here 6 oxygen. Altogether 16 oxygen on the right hand side. Here we have been given 89.6 liters of oxygen. We know 1 mole of gas requires 22.4 liters room at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. 1 mole of gas requires 22.4 liters room. That means 1 mole of gas requires a volume of 22.4 liters at STP. We have been given 89.6 liters of oxygen. Now we have to convert this 89.6 liters of oxygen to moles of oxygen. Let's convert it. We know in a volume of 22.4 liters there is 1 mole of oxygen. In a volume of 22.4 liters there is 1 mole of oxygen. Therefore, we have to find in 89.6 liters, in volume of 89.6 liters, how many moles of oxygen are there. We can find it in this way: 1 mole O2 divided by 22.4 liters multiplied by 89.6 liters. 1 mole O2 divided by 22.4 liters multiplied by 89.6 liters. Here we can cancel out liters. Then we get 4 moles of oxygen. That means this 89.6 liters of oxygen means these 4 moles of oxygen. Now see the ratio. To react with 1 mole of pentane, 8 moles of oxygen are required. In the same way, to react with 8 moles of oxygen, 1 mole of pentane is required. I have written that ratio here. Eight moles of oxygen react with 1 mole of pentane. 8 moles of oxygen react with 1 mole of pentane. According to our ratio, 8 moles of oxygen react with 1 mole of pentane. Now we have 4 moles of oxygen. Now we need to find, to react with 4 moles of oxygen, how many moles of pentane are required. We can find the answer in this way. 1 mole pentane divided by 8 mole O2 multiplied by 4 mole O2. 1 moles of pentane divided by 8 moles of pentane multiplied by 4 moles of oxygen. We can cancel out mole O2, then we get 0.5 moles of pentane. To react with 4 moles of oxygen, 0.5 moles of pentane are required. This is not our main answer. We know one mole of pentane, in 1 mole of pentane has 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of pentane. Not only pentane, 1 mole of anything has 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules, atoms or particles. In 1 mole of anything has 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 atoms, molecules or particles. This number is called Avogadro number. 6.022 times 10 raised to 23. We know 1 mole of pentane has 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of pentane. Now we have 0.5 moles of pentane. Now we have to find in 0.5 moles of pentane how many molecules of pentane are there in 0.5 moles of pentane. We can find the answer in this way. 6.022 times 10 raised to 23. This Avogadro number divided by 1 mole pentane multiplied by 0.5 mole pentane. This Avogadro number, this number divided by 1 mole pentane multiplied by 0.5 mole pentane. Here we can cancel out mole pentane. Mole pentane, then we get our answer, main answer, 0.5 times 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of pentane. This is our main answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel. God bless you.